Hey guys, what's up? So I have another unboxing. This one is a very special one just because this package is from my sister, Miss Bonnie Ann. And this is my Christmas / birthday gift. For those who know me, you know that my birthday is January 2nd. So basically my birthday is almost on Christmas. So let's see what's in here. Oh. She made sure nobody was opening this without being known or obvious. Okay. My heart. Ooh. Okay, so also my mom sent me some, some antibiotic cream for future references, first aid. She's always very heavy on the first aid kit stuff. Thanks, mommy. Oh, she also sent me some wet wipes to kill germs from my mom. My mom snuck this in this package because she's the best. Okay. The first thing I pulled out. Let's see what it is. Okay, I'm going to lay this here. Okay, I'll lay this here and just take out stuff as I go. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ew! Spider Joe! Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to do a whole nother unboxing on me like opening this stuff because I don't want to get messy right now. But thing number one, spider gel. These things look so beautiful. I don't want to open them. Hey! Oh, she is super sweet. Oh my god, look. She's on point, yo. She told me to do a video. She was on point. Look, she gave me some Nuni Torres acrylics. Not only that, but homegirl hooked it up by giving me the swatches. Yes! Look at her. She's so cute. Hold on, let me do this, guys, so you can see the acrylics that are on here. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I like that white. Oh. Look at these beautiful colors. Isn't that so cute? Oh my god. I am not even 5% in this box and I'm already like, ah! She's the best. She's the best. Ooh. Let's open this. Wow. Ooh, okay, this one's taped up. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh my goodness, look at these beauties. Oh, she put them in the little, she is so cute. She put them in a little box so they look adorable. Hold on, let me place them. These are 3D flowers. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to try these out. Let me put this on the back again because hold on, guys. All right, I'm back. I had to tie that up again because I'm not trying to have any of those little beautiful flowers get lost anywhere in this house. Ooh. Nail form. I love these. I can't wait to try all this stuff out because I am going to definitely be making videos trying all this stuff out. Look. Let it snow, baby. Look at these snowflakes. This is like glitter. See those little snowflakes in there? This is so cute. Glitter collection. This is Nails by Ty. Let It Snow glitter collection. I can't believe she wrapped all this stuff up. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Another Nails by Ty. And this one, I think this is acrylic or glitter. I think this is glitter. Oh my god, this looks like snow. Ooh. This is beautiful. This is really nice. I think this is glitter. But you can mix that up with some acrylic. Oh my god, my hair looks crazy. Guys, it's like 2 in the morning. Yes! I honestly saw her using these in one of her videos. I was like, oh, I hope she put some of those in my box. And she did! These are brush wipes, lint-free brush wipes. Oh, they feel so soft. I'm going to cut these in half because this is a big wipe. Oh my gosh. And this is by Email Couture. One of my faves. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh, this is like stretchy. Woo. Hey. Gel polish. Lavender. Let's see what color. Let's see what color. Lavender. H434. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That's really pretty. So I like this brand of gel polish. They're nice. They're nice gel polishes. Juanita. Nail powder silicone brush. Let's see what this is. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. These are like so cute and tiny. I wonder, are these? I think these are chromes. Well, one of them looks like chrome. I'll ask. Look at that. Ooh. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. By Juanita. Oh my gosh, I don't want to make a mess here, guys. Ooh, I want to open this. I want to open. Ooh. Oh, there's a couple things in here. Oh, baby. 1, 2, 3, go. Nail. Press on nails. Ooh, these are awesome. Hold up. I don't want to spill anything. Okay. Pink, 1, 2, 3, go, or Eternal Beige. Pink, but I think on his website these might be Eternal Beige. But more 1, 2, 3 goes. And alcohol preps. Ooh, can't have Too much of those. Too many of those. Oh my gosh, let's see. Oh my goodness. Flowers. For some embellishment on some acrylic nail. Leave you real for life. Ooh. Happy season of raisins. Great for Christmas. Great. Oh. 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 Oh, yes. Girlfriend. She got me the Nuni Taurus nails. And nail forms. Oh my goodness, look at this. And look at these bad boys. These are long. Ooh. I can't wait to try those out. I was just looking at his Instagram the other day with them tips. I was like, ooh, interesting. I would want some. And pow. Uh-oh. Ooh. A rhinestone case. This is cute from Nail Couture. I love this guy. Oh, these are the wipes. Those are the alcohol wipes. Oh my goodness, guys. She packed this thing up. This is like this, and then inside it's a wrap. Bonnie, you outdid yourself, girl. She's the best. Oh my gosh. Yes! Goodness! Paint gel from Nail Couture. I've seen so many nice videos with it. People using his paint. Oh my goodness. I'm excited for this. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Look at that. Look at that little package. Homegirl hooked it up. Oh my goodness. So let's see what colors. Let's see if this says the color on it. Okay, let's see. White, pink, green. Okay, guys, I'm so excited to try this. White, pink, green. Whoa. I don't know why I put that in my mouth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this video is really long. I might have to do 2 parts. Beige for skin color. Draw some cute little people on nails. I might have to do 2 parts of this video because there's still some stuff in here, and I know this video is going to be probably too long for Instagram. Green, like a lighter neonish green. Blue. And red. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here because I'm gonna run out of time, but part 2 to be continued. And we're back, continuing with the goodies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, you had me at this was everything I had to see. Nails by Ty. Oh my gosh, this color is beautiful. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. This color. That is bright neon yellow. Oh, some people might disagree and say green, but that to me is yellow. Another lavender violet in this color. It's like a blue tealish turquoise actually. Oh no, blue. Oh, blue. I don't know what kind of blue, but it's cute. It's a shade of blue by Lavender Violet. She hooked it up. She hooked it up. I know what this is. I don't even have to open this. I know what this is. I know it's from Enel. What do you say? Go. Oh, is it from Enel? I think it is. Usually he has these bottles with like pointy caps. Oh my gosh, this is hard to open. Oh, there we go. It is Enel. All right, this is, let's see what this is. Precious Mineral Rainbow Top. Ooh. It's like a holographic top coat, I guess. Cute. See, you know, Couture be doing these long bottle caps. What is this? Ooh. Oh, I wanted these. Oh my goodness, Bon. These are the, oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these. The Magic Blooming nail polishes by Model 1. Sorry guys, I'm horrible at this. Let me show you. I'm over here enjoying, but I'm not showing. So come in this cute little box. Oh, I cannot wait to try all this stuff out. Oh, I told you guys, my mom. My mom was the first aid kit. Homegirl. Be hooking it up. Some AD&D, probiotic, ibuprofen. She making sure I am good. I love my mama. But there's also something from my sister in here. Oh, there's a couple things in here. Hold on, let me take them out. All right, eye drops from my mama. Just in case y'all want to know what my mama be sending me. She wanted to make sure that my teeth on point. She's the best. Put some Band-Aids in there. Some eye drops, ibuprofen. Triple antibiotic. Oh, she's the best. Best mama ever. Oh no, this is spilling. Okay, I'm gonna leave that next. I'm gonna have to clean this. But this is eye gel, painting gel silver. So we're gonna have to clean that up because it's like spilling. Or maybe, I don't know what happened. I'm gonna put that one to the side and make sure I clean that. But I've seen those on eye gel and I wanted to try them. So I'm glad I got it. Oh, this is nice. This is like an opal white. That's beautiful. Doesn't have the what number it is. If you guys want to buy, I'm sorry, don't know, but it's beautiful and I have it. Again, my mom. Gloves. She the best. She the best. All right, we're coming down to the stretch. Is that how you say it? Oh my gosh, my shirt is so dirty. Coming down to the stretch, people. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of stuff in here. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Ooh. I-gel stickers. Flower stickers. Those are pretty. Ooh, those are pretty. I could just imagine the sets I'm gonna do with those. Oh my goodness, what are these? These are like 3D stickers. So pretty. That is really nice. Crown powder, baby. Can't go wrong with some crown powder. My garbage is like overflowing with paper wrapping paper. Oh, I love my sister. She's so awesome. She'll make me cry. She's so sweet. Oh, this is freaking pretty. These are like gold chips. I mean, not real gold. Nail art gold chips. This is pretty. Mix this with some acrylic. Put on some nails and pow! You got a beautiful thing there happening. You got a beautiful thing happening. Oh, more of these beautiful. Oh my god, this is so pretty. More of these. You guys cannot even like see, but this is like 3D and it looks so pretty. It looks like paint, like 3D. You know, those really fancy paintings from like fancy painters. It looks like that, like someone just. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus Lane. Oh, I think this is Mirror Rose Gold. This is Chrome. Oh, baby, can't wait to try that. By I-gel. This is another really good company. If you guys are looking for some good products, I-gel is it because they have great sales. Not because they have great sales. They're great products and they have great sales. Go to igelbeauty.com. And Eno Couture. Some of our faves. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. And go to MG. I don't even know what this is, but this is... I don't have to ask her, but these are beautiful. Like a set with this is just on another level. Oh, thank you, May too, because I know May Rose was helping her. My niece was helping her pack my stuff, and she was trying to spoil the surprise on the phone on the video chat one day, and she was like, "Kathy, we have your gift." She didn't ruin the surprise because she's smart, but she's so cute. Thank you, May. Oh. My goodness. Kiara Sky drill bit. Wow. My goodness. This is amazing. Wow, this looks really nice. It's rose gold too, so pretty. I'm gonna try that out tomorrow on a client. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. I got distracted. Oh, Veronica Shop. Veronica's Shop. Okay, I'm scared to like rip this through because I don't know if there's like stickers or what's in here. So let me be very careful. Oh. Oh my goodness, look at these beautiful things. By Veronica Shop. She was showing me that she got a bunch of these flowers as well for herself. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. This is so pretty. I'm in heaven right now. Look at how beautiful. Oh, my sister. She's the best. She's the best. She's the best. This video is going to be so long, guys. I am so sorry. But I'm enjoying every minute of it. More gold chips, silver chips now. The silver chips now. All right, let's see. All right. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, Play Gel by E-Nail Couture. Black Spider Gel. This is such a cute little bottle. Look at this cute little bottle. E-Nail Couture always outdoing himself. I can't wait to try all this stuff out, guys. I'm going to have so much fun the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be making videos of using all this stuff as much as I can. Oh, yes! This is to paint, and you put polish in here, and then you paint, and you hold the polish right here. Also, I think you could use this for the Cricut. Just, well, that's another level. That's another story, but that's double use. I feel what this is. Another one. Yes. A large coarse bit by Kiara Sky. Thanks, Bon Bon. These are great. This is awesome. Okay, I'll put it right there. This is a little thing, and I do not want to get them lost. I do not want them to get lost. Oh, look at these. Oh my goodness. More flowers. Dry flowers. Oh. Oh, look at that. More dry flowers. Oh, perfect for Christmas glitter. Beautiful. Yes, another one. Yes, look at this. Another one. A cute little drop it. She's amazing. I let you have the best sister on the planet. The whole planet Earth. Ooh. Rhinestones. And the last piece. Let me make sure. It's the last piece. Ooh. Kiara Sky. Oh my gosh. I had so much fun opening this stuff. I'm sad it came to an end, but homegirl outdid herself. I'm not even mad. I know that it had to end sometime. But it was good while it lasted. Some files from Kiara Sky. In a really cute wrap. So like 2 buffers. Feels nice. And 8080 files. This is... Guys, I'm at a loss for words, like for real. My sister outdid herself. Like, Bon, thank you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And I don't even know what to say. This is a lot of stuff. Thank you. I love you. You're the best sister ever. And May, you're the best little helper ever. You're the best. Okay, mommy? I love you guys. Thank you so much. This is the perfect gift for me. I love you guys.